But I hope you clip that because that's a good burp for my YouTube. Oh, that's a small one. That's a warm up. There you go. Don't give a shit about it.
Oh wow! That was a little bit of cum coming out of that mouth.
I only suck on it.
Yo, I tasted somebody else's cum right now.
You would still say that. I don't know why. Okay. No way, I remember that. She can have milk, yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah.
Sorry. Not sorry.
What she said. Do you know that language? You know the language like. Welcome to my stream, guys.
So bad. It's so bad.
We do burp a lot. Consent, kind of. But, sorry. Yeah. Maps. So, obviously I'm gonna win.
4 maps?
The fucking Grand Prix is 4 maps, yes.
It went
and you were like
so quickly.
Yeah, but you were like 4 maps, 1 beer, and a shot. But my stomach's gonna hate me. It's 4 races. We wanna be in the first, you know.
Ja, for det best of 4.